Mastering Nouns for Describing Processes, a Guide to Academic English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Advanced English Vocabulary series. Today we will be focusing on an important subset of academic and professional vocabulary, nouns for describing processes. It's crucial to master this vocabulary, especially if you're pursuing higher studies, involved in research, or working in a professional environment where technical discussions are part of your daily life. So, let's dive right in. To start, let's clarify what we mean by nouns for processes. These are words used to describe a series of actions or steps taken to achieve a particular end. They provide a concise way to explain complex mechanisms, systems, or methodologies. Examples include procedure, method, system, operation, cycle, and mechanism, among others. Understanding is one thing, but seeing these nouns in context can make it easier to grasp their usage. So, let's explore a few sentences. The procedure for the experiment must be followed precisely to achieve accurate results. His unique method of teaching makes complex concepts easier to understand. The operation of the machine requires specialized knowledge. The cycle of evaporation and precipitation plays a critical role in the Earth's climate. The mechanism behind the chemical reaction is still under investigation. Notice how each of these nouns helps to describe a complex process or series of actions in a simple, succinct way. Beyond the basics, there are many other nouns you can use to describe processes, adding richness and precision to your language. Here are some to consider. Approach, a way of dealing with a situation or problem. Strategy, a plan designed for a specific purpose. Protocol, a system of rules and procedures. Sequence, a particular order in which related events or things follow each other. Transition, the process of changing from one state or condition to another. Try to incorporate these words into your own writing and speaking, and you'll soon find that they become a natural part of your vocabulary. So, there you have it, a quick guide to mastering nouns for describing processes. By incorporating these terms into your academic and professional language, you will be able to convey complex ideas more efficiently and effectively. Remember, practice is key when it comes to vocabulary acquisition. So keep practicing, and you'll become more comfortable with these terms in no time. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!